Hey guys, it's Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage, and working on it's like a '99 Subaru Legacy Outback station wagon, friend of mine's car. Had a front caliper hanging up, or at least it sounded like it. Pulled it apart, and it's a double twin piston caliper, two piston. One of the pistons is stuck, but that's not even really the issue with this car, or the issue that I'm having rather. So normally, he calls me and says, hey, I need parts. We look at parts. I find the parts, part numbers, best prices, all that. Give him that information. He goes and gets them, bring me the vehicle and the parts. This time he ordered up his own part, which is fine, whatever. And I know he got it from the Jungle website, which, again, no problem. And that's what the box looks like. So I'm not going to say any brands, but I've seen this brand advertised on there, and I've never used it before, and I won't be using it. So I stuck the new bracket on the car and went to put the brake pads in the new bracket. Well, if you know anything about disc brakes, you get the little tab that slides into the caliper bracket, and I hope you can see this. But there is no way in hell that tab is going to fit in that slot. And I will not take metal off of brake pads. I won't grind them down. So I thought, okay, no big deal. Mismachined part. I'll just use the original bracket, which was on the car, put it back on. The brake pads went just fine into there with the sheet metal clips. Everything's good there. I go to put the new caliper on. And I swing it into place on the pads. Everything's good. And I put one bolt in. Great. We'll go to put the other bolt in. And it wouldn't line up. What they've got done is they've got different spacing on their caliper bolts. And it's too close together for the factory brackets. I can't even use the caliper. Now, I understand a lot of this overseas stuff is not a licensed OEM part, but at least get the holes in the right place so a guy can stick some bolts in there. This stuff's junk, and I figure if they can't get none of these two parts right, I don't want that caliper on somebody's car because it'll probably blow out and cause a collision. Maybe somebody gets hurt. So, yeah. Now, because it's almost 5 o'clock at night on a Friday night, I'm probably not going to be able to find one locally because, well, parts are hard to get right now for I don't know what reason this time. We don't have a plague going on, so anyway, he has a parts car. I'm going to go pull a used caliper off the parts car to get him back on the road. But, yeah, this is horrible quality. If you can't grind some slots properly and your bolt spacing properly, you probably can't get O-rings in right either. So, yeah. I know this type of vehicle isn't my usual format, but I was just so disappointed with this. I wanted to show this to you guys. Leave some comments down below with your kind of experience with this overseas stuff, and let me know what you run into. But anyway, guys, enough out of me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Questions, comments down below. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. It's free. Doesn't cost you a thing. Helps out the channel. Stay greasy, my friends.